Hello?
Hello, asshole. You're the one that called, you ignorant bastard. You just about the fourth call you've made today. You stupid cocksucker.
This is a payphone at Hy-Vee, sir. Third and Ward Hy-Vee. I work here, and I have not called your house at all, and I don't appreciate the language.
You stupid son of a bitch. This is a business phone. Get off of it.
Hello?
You are one stupid son of a bitch. Can you understand this? Fuck you.
Okay, well, yeah, go fuck yourself.
You stupid son of a bitch. This is a business phone. Get off of it. Yes. This is a business phone. Get off of it. Son of a bitch. Fuck you.
Huh?
You're the one that called, you ignorant bastard. You just about the fourth call you've made today.
This is a payphone at Hy-Vee. I'm just a customer. Sorry.
This is a business phone. Get off of it.
This is a Hy-Vee payphone. Sorry. Okay.
Hey, let me tell you how I feel. Fuck you.
It's just a payphone. Like, anyone can use it, not...
You stupid son of a bitch. This is a business phone. Get off of it.
For what?
Duncan Construction. Duncan Construction. Duncan Construction.
Oh. What?
This is Frank Garrett. Duncan Construction. This is a business phone. Get off of it. Asshole.
Is this a recording, or are you a real person?
If you real tough, you have down these goddamn telephones. What's been there, see me?
I can't understand you.
Oh, good as hell.
Well, I gotta go. It's a person.
What you gotta find out if I don't want to talk to you, motherfucker?
Hello?
Hey, let me tell you how I feel. Fuck you. This is a business phone. Get off of it.
What?
This is a business phone. Get off of it. Hello? Hello? This is a business phone. Get off of it. Hey, let me tell you how I feel. Fuck you. Don't call me anymore, you stupid cocksucker.
No problem. This is a payphone.
This is a business phone. Get off of it.
Okay. Thank you.
Hey, let me tell you how I feel. Fuck you.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, asshole. This is a business phone. Get off of it. Just about the fourth call you've made today. Son of a bitch.
That's very nice.
Asshole.
FBI office.
This is a business phone. Get off of it. Son of a bitch. Oh, good as hell.
Sure, this call's being traced and monitored.
Well, I don't give a shit.